Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo code deals for Careem. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use my web browser, and in particular I'm going to go to Google. And now in the Google search box here, I'm going to type in Careem promo code deals, and then I'm going to hit search. And now we'll be brought to Google search results here. So we got some good ones. So worth the penny, 70% off Careem.com. If we keep scrolling down, we've got vouchers, etc. Lovecoupons.ae, verified 50% off. So you can check out any one of these, but the one I like to use is worth the penny, 70% off Careem.com promo codes. So I'm going to go ahead and check that one out. And now I'm inside worth the penny, and they've got today's best offer. I'm making this video on the 23rd of August 2024, so this is the best offer at the moment. So you can see the code here, and it's only half visible, and you can see some stats about this code. So 111 people have used it with an 89% success rate. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this code to activate it. So as you can see at the top here, I need to click to copy code. So I'm going to click on that code. Now copy this code here and paste this code at the checkout section at Careem.com to enjoy 70% off food and groceries and more. One thing to note with these promo code third-party sites, these deals do expire every now and then, and they do change daily or weekly. So be sure to find a code that isn't expired, and also these codes do change weekly and daily as well. So be sure to check these third-party sites out at later dates to find really good deals.